The power of words in building your business is very impactful. When you're 50 or older and stepping into real estate investing, the game is as much about mindset as it is about money, properties, or contracts. Every conversation you have, every belief you carry, and every phrase spoken into your life carries energy. Words either empower you to move forward with boldness or disempower you into hesitation, fear, or retreat. For those building their crew, business, and vision after 50, disempowering language can feel especially heavy. Why? Because it often comes from the people you love most, family, friends, or lifelong colleagues, who don't realize how much their words shape your decisions. Recognizing disempowering language. Disempowering language doesn't always sound harsh. Sometimes it's quiet, subtle, even well-meaning. Here are a few phrases that real estate dreamers over 50 often hear. Are you sure you want to risk that at your age? Shouldn't you just focus on retiring? Real estate is for younger, hungrier people. You've already had your chance. That sounds too complicated for you. At first, these may sound like concern, but underneath, they often plant seeds of doubt, second-guessing, and delay. And delay, at 50 plus, is the enemy of progress. The source, love, not malice. It's important to understand that the people speaking these words usually love you. They want to protect you from loss or failure. But because they haven't walked the path of entrepreneurship or real estate, their vision is limited. They see risk. You see opportunity. They see age as a limitation. You see age as wisdom and leverage. The problem isn't their heart. It's their lens. They're looking at your life through their fears, not your possibilities. The real impact on your journey. When unchecked, disempowering language can erode confidence. You begin second-guessing deals, partnerships, or even your ability to lead. Delay action. Each negative phrase becomes another reason to procrastinate. Shrink your vision. Instead of aiming for 20 doors, you settle for just one safe rental. Weaken your crew. If your mindset is weakened, the people you attract may also doubt or undercommit. And in real estate, confidence and clarity are everything. Every negotiation, partnership, and deal relies on your ability to lead with certainty. Strategies to deal with disempowering language. Here's how to not only survive it, but turn it into fuel. 1. Recognize and reframe. When someone says, "Aren't you too old for this?" reframe it in your mind. My age is my advantage. I bring life lessons and financial wisdom most young investors don't have. 2. Set gentle boundaries. You don't need to argue with loved ones. Instead say, "I know you care about me, but this is something I feel called to do. I'd love your support even if you don't fully understand it." This protects the relationship while protecting your vision. 3. Build an empowering circle. Form your real estate crew with people who speak life into you. Mentors, partners, contractors, lenders, and peers who believe in growth after 50. Their voices must outweigh the doubters. 4. Use words as fuel. Each time you hear "you can't," turn it into your personal challenge. Watch me. Disempowering words become stepping stones, not stumbling blocks. 5. Affirm your own language. Start each day with empowering phrases. I am building legacy. I have wisdom and experience that grows wealth. It's never too late to create opportunity. When your inner voice is strong, the outer voices lose power. Why this matters for your real estate crew. Your crew, your business partners, contractors, and team members will mirror your energy. If you carry doubt and disempowerment, they'll feel it. If you carry certainty and belief, they'll rally behind you. At 50 plus, you're not just building a business. You're building legacy, dignity, and influence. Your words and mindset set the tone for everyone around you. Don't let disempowering language hold you back, especially from those who love you most. Your age is your advantage, and your vision is your legacy. If you found this information to be helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so that yourself and others can continue to benefit from educational and encouraging videos like this one? Drop a comment so that we can all learn from each other. What's one phrase you're leaving behind as you step into your real estate journey after 50? Final word, your language shapes your legacy. The truth is this: people may never stop doubting you, but you can stop doubting yourself. Real estate isn't just about deals, it's about decisions. And the strongest decision you can make after 50 is to guard your language, protect your vision, and surround yourself with people who see the possibility instead of the problem. Every time someone says you can't, you get the chance to prove that at 50 plus, not only can you will.